The issue of wild animals encroaching into urban areas in search of food is a multifaceted problem with various contributing factors. Here's a detailed analysis of who can be considered responsible. 1. Human expansion into natural habitats. As human populations grow, urban areas expand into previously wild or semi-wild habitats. This expansion reduces the available habitat for wildlife, forcing animals to seek food and shelter in urban environments. The construction of roads, buildings, and agricultural lands fragment natural habitats, disrupting migration routes and food sources for wildlife. 2. The loss of natural food sources. Human activities such as deforestation, intensive agriculture, and pollution degrade or destroy natural food sources for wildlife, like plants and prey species. With dwindling food options in their natural habitats, animals are compelled to scavenge in cities where human food waste and domestic animals provide alternative food sources. 3. Climate change. Human-induced climate change alters weather patterns and habitat conditions, disrupting traditional food availability for wildlife. As a result, species may move towards urban areas where conditions are more suitable, or where food is more reliably available due to altered environmental conditions. Human behavior and encounters play a significant role in shaping the interactions between people and wildlife. Improper disposal of garbage, feeding wildlife, and other human behaviors can habituate animals to urban environments. These direct interactions often lead to encounters between humans and animals in urban settings, which can unfortunately result in conflicts. Such conflicts pose risks to both humans and wildlife, creating challenges that need careful management and understanding. Policy and urban planning. Government and municipalities. Planning policies that do not prioritize wildlife corridors or conservation can inadvertently increase human-wildlife conflicts. Mitigation efforts. Lack of adequate measures to manage waste disposal, secure food sources in urban areas, and manage wildlife habitats can exacerbate the issue. Education and awareness. Public awareness. Lack of awareness among the public about the impacts of their actions on wildlife can lead to behaviors that attract animals to urban areas. Education. Educating communities about coexistence strategies and responsible behavior towards wildlife can mitigate conflicts. Conservation efforts. Resource allocation. Insufficient funding or resources allocated to wildlife conservation and habitat restoration can limit efforts to preserve natural habitats. Collaboration. Lack of collaboration between conservation organizations, urban planners, and government agencies may hinder effective solutions. In conclusion, while the natural behavior of animals seeking food is inherent, human activities significantly exacerbate this issue. Responsible parties include urban planners, policymakers, individuals, and industries whose activities impact natural habitats and wildlife. Addressing this issue requires a multi-pronged approach that includes habitat conservation, responsible urban planning, public education, and mitigation strategies to minimize human-wildlife conflicts.